You fail to plan financially, you plan to fail financially. And financial planning is not just about you sitting down with a professional, in an office suite like this and allowing them to help you flesh out your financial future. Financial planning is about you having a step-by-step process that you can use on a day-to-day basis to get you from where you are financially to where you want to be, which should be financial freedom. I want to give you access to my personal 5-step millionaire plan. It's absolutely free. It's a manual. You can download it, use it. I give you a breakdown on what steps you need to take in order to execute each of these 5 steps for your millionaire plan. And the reason why I say millionaire plan, because I'm a millionaire. I have a millionaire blueprint, and I know that this 5-step plan actually works, not just for me, but for so many people who are part of our business community. So click the link, take advantage of a free 5-step millionaire plan that you can use to not just know what you want to do for your finances, but how you can actually get it done.